signal light that will be blinking, that will tell you that okay, signal is available here. That's how to actually know that the signal is here. But how do you make use of the signal? It means you will need another network cable like this, and then you plug it into one of these ports available here. There are 4 in number, and they are referred to as LAN ports, LAN, L-A-N, which is local area network. Thank you. Now, again, look at your office. It's local to you. Do you get? And so that's where, of course, you can get the knowledge. So if you plug in one end of the network cable on any of the 4 ports, it means you are a one user. Do you get? And then you plug the other end to your system. So once you plug the other end to your system, it means you are connected to the network. Now, aside you connecting, it's available for other 3 users to get a cable, plug in, and then everybody will be connected. But also, if we are more than 4, we want to extend the network to more users. This is a device called switch. It's a switch. So all it does is just to extend, the network to other users. And then you need to use the the network cable, plug it, onto it. But ensure that the network cable you are plugging here is also connected to, because this is where the signal is coming from. So once you are sure of that, then you can get other cables and then plug here, plug to system. It means you are all connected. But then it happens that yes, we are like 12 in our office and all of us need to hook up to the network. It means that the cables will just be flying, because all of us cannot sit in the same place. So it means the tables and the cables will have to be flying about. And one thing one will observe is that it will make the office to look untidy, because somebody may ask that are we coming to spread clothes here, or why do you have cables just flying about? Or another disadvantage is that a colleague may want to move from one desk to another and maybe unknowingly just hit his or her leg on the cable, fall down. Before you know what is happening, emergency, here and there and stuff like that. So in order to avoid all of this, then we need a better way of getting the network. And what is the better way? We can get it wirelessly. So we need a device like this, a booster or a device that can bring us the network wirelessly without cables flying about. And so this is a device called access point. Access point. And so what it does is actually giving you the signal without flying cables about. But yet you cannot do without cable. Are we done? Okay, can we look up please? So I say yet you cannot do without cable, because a network cable will still have to connect this particular device to the router. Don't forget, all the signal we are talking about resides in this router. So any other device that might want to broadcast to other people must get the resources from here. So you need a cable. It could be any of the cable that we have been using anyway. So you plug it into the LAN port that is available on the access point. Once you plug it in there, and the other end is plugged to the router. Do you get? You plug to the LAN port too. Don't forget that once this is plugged here, you can't remove it. It has to be there permanently until maybe you find out nothing is working, and then you need to call us that there is no light even showing to show that the device is alright, and then from there we can take it up. So once you plug this in, then there will be a signal light that will show here, a power light and signal light, and so from there everyone can just access it via your laptop and whatever. You have a question, sir?
No, yes, but because it's no longer wireless, since you are now plugging in cable.
Yeah, instead of now plugging like 12 or 20 cables, you need just one cable to connect to the router. And you know, once you do that, you can just hang it in one conspicuous place, and then the signal is just available.
All the devices will pick this.
Yes, it's available for any authorized user anyway, because you have a security, that's a password to enter into it.